Hey guys, welcome back to Shalu's Artistry. In today's video, we are going to see easy tips on how to propagate money plant in water. For this, I have taken a small piece of money plant. As you can see, there are root nodes under the leaves. We are going to make these roots develop in water so that we get new plants from these cuttings. Cut the plant from just below the root nodes and separate each cuttings like this. Cut it at least 1 cm below the root nodes and remove the excess portion as they are of no use. By the end of this cutting process, we should be having only the leaves and the root nodes in each cutting. These stems can be removed. Now as you can see, we have made almost 10 cuttings using a small piece of money plant, and we are going to develop each of these into individual plants. Put them together in water and keep it in a shady area. After a week, there are tiny roots coming from the root nodes. The pace of the growth is different in each cutting, but within a week there is a visible development in each roots. To have a healthy water plant, it's essential to change the water every week. Change it at least once in 10 days or you might have to face root rot. After 2 weeks, the roots have grown longer and the growth is at a faster pace. This is because water roots grow faster and they are delicate too. So while changing them into a narrow planter like this, you should be very gentle. After 4 months, this is the growth. All the cuttings have new leaves and stem. They have a linear root system. This is because water roots get minerals from water easily, unlike the soil roots. So they grow at a very faster pace and have a lot of root hairs too. And they are also very delicate. In these 4 months, I have cut the grown plant again and grown them as a separate plants. So we have extra cuttings than what we have kept in the beginning. The actual growth is much lengthier than this. Even the smallest of the cuttings have developed roots. Roots should be in white color. That indicates that the roots are healthy. If the roots turn brown color, brown roots indicate root rot. Changing water can keep the water healthy and avoid mosquitoes. And also changing water gives them fresh minerals to consume. If the water is not changed frequently, it will not get minerals to survive. This is a healthy root. Now considering this cutting, it has 3 root systems. The plant can utilize the root which is nearby. Now let's cut it just below the root and keep it as a separate plant. Now these 2 roots alone can develop a new plant. So let's cut it like this. I'm not going to remove the stem. This is because there is no leaf, and for the support we definitely need a stem. These plants are the original cuttings. It has a longer root system and a lengthier plant because this is the cutting we actually made 4 months ago. You can see how lengthy it has grown. It has also developed root nodes, so it can be cut into separate cuttings and grown as a separate plant too. So you can repeat the same cycle to get more plants. After 5 months, all these cuttings have grown again. They have a lengthier root system and a lot of leaves. If you want a bushy money plant, then you can join all the plants together and place it in a glass jar. It is advisable to go for a glass jar that has a round neck so that it looks even more voluminous. So you can either put it in a glass jar like this, but this might not be so voluminous. So instead you can go for a glass jar which has a round neck like this. This looks voluminous. If you like this information, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe Shalu's Artistry for more such videos.